Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your voice in a video by using the CapCut Voice Effect. So this is a video, my tutorial video with my normal voice. On today's video, I'm going to show you, and I want to change the voice by using the CapCut Voice Effect. So just click on the video. Swipe through the menu until you find this option, Voice Changer. Click on that, and here you can use between the voice filter or character. I'm going to use the voice character. Let's try the robot. So just click on the sound effect. You can see now as I sound like a robot. And let's try the L5.
Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this
That's how it sounds.
channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you.
Let's try to use this one, and that's it. You can hear now that I sound like a different person using this
welcome
voice
back
effect.
with me again in this channel. On today.
So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.